How to block someone on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to block someone on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up your Instagram account and this is where you will get. So this is our main feed and sometimes we want to block someone. So in order to block a person, you just have to open up their profile. So now you can open up their profile by searching it, or if you have a DM, just open up their profile, or even from your feed. For example, I can just open up this profile right here. So you just have to get to their profile like this. Now here you have to click on these three dots at the top right corner. Click on these three dots and you will get this menu right here. First option is report and the second option is going to be block. So you just have to click on block. You can see block the username. They won't be able to message you or find your profile, post, or story on Instagram. They won't be notified that you blocked them. So we have two options: block this account and other accounts they may have or create, or block just this account. So I'm just going to block this account. Click on block and they will be blocked. You can see I can unblock them anytime I want. But now this user has been blocked from Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.